Hello, Beach Realty Homeowners. It's Leslie here, and today I'm going to walk you through a sample 2022 rate addendum. This is my email here. I've received the request to sign my rate addendum. I'm going to click review and sign. This will bring me straight into the document where first I have the options for property and owner information. This is where you can make any changes to your property name, owner name, primary phone number, make sure this is your primary phone number, and primary email address on file. Here you can choose your preferred contact method, phone, text, or email. The next section will walk you through your annual season open and close dates. This is your cottage open, cottage close, pool open, pool close. For year round, you'll want to enter 1/1 to 12/31. Pool default dates are 5/1 to 10/8, or you can choose any dates you'd like. This will be used for advertising purposes, of course. Owner use time. This section is where you can fill your owner use time, owner blocks that you want us to block off in advance on your calendar. Say like 4 through, and you can choose whether you want housekeeping or linens added to that owner block reservation. Next section is your weekly linen option. Linen service with beds made. You will have a custom price here, or optional guest linens with beds made, and this would be where your guests can choose to decline linens and bring their own or have it added onto their rent. Further below is the rental options. We'll show you by default your 2021 options, and you can choose to change that or keep it the same. Here you'll have the option to add any new advertised amenities or remove any outdated advertised amenities. And here is where we get to the rates. We've got Saturday dates listed by default, but if it's a Sunday, it will start on the Sunday date of the corresponding week. We've listed your 2021 rate as a reference, the rate at which your property booked, and the date at which your property booked as of April 12th, 2021, as well as your property manager's recommendations for rate changes. If you like the rate changes that you see recommended, you can click here to accept all rate recommended changes, or you can not check that and individually select the ones you would like to accept and change any that you would like to modify. You'll notice here while I'm going through this, some of these weeks, for example, the week of 4/23 rented at almost double rate, and that would indicate a 2-week reservation there. Alright, and then we move on to rate adjustment options. We've listed your 2021 options, and you can choose these options again or choose whichever you prefer. Partial rate options. We offer the ability to advertise a reduced nightly rate for partial stays, 3 or 4 night stays, and it is based off of your weekly rate. We list your 2021 option next to each season, and you can choose what you would like to do for the 2022 season. And now we've come to the signature spot, which we're almost done. You can type or draw or use your mobile device to do so. If you type it, it is fairly straightforward. Oops. If you draw it, just please remember that it also wants you to type it. Right here, make sure you have this typed in here, and then you can hit apply. And once you do that, you'll get this lovely blue button down here, click to sign, and you click that and you will be done. Thank you and hope this was helpful.